Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video, we have done the MVVM Magento 2 architecture. Now, Magento 2 architecture consists of the four layers. Okay, so let's start with this. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, Magento 2 architecture consists of the four layers. First one, that is presentation layer, view layer. Purpose: handle user interactions and the UI rendering, components, themes, and templates, HTML, XML, CSS, JavaScript. N- Knockout.js implements the FVM for the dynamic UI components. UI components defined in XML and implemented with the JavaScript. Example: a product page template, catalog product view.html. Okay. Service layer, business logic layer. Purpose: act as an intermediary between the presentation layer and the domain layer. Components: service contracts, repositories, Magento web API, REST, GraphQL, SOAP. Example: Magento catalog API product repository interfaces used to fetch the product data. Now we have a domain layer, that is model layer. Purpose: manage business rules and the data processing. Components: models contain the business logic. Resource models: database interactions, collections, fetch multiple records. Observers and the plugins: customize core behavior. Example: product represents a product. Okay. Persistence layer, database layer, stores and retrieves data. Components: MySQL database, EAV, and the flat table structure. Entity attribute value, EAV system. Raw SQL queries handled via resource models. Magento's ORM object relation model mapping. Example: product attributes are stored in the multiple EAV tables. Okay, like this. Okay, now Magento to architecture flow. Like how these are interact each other, right? So user request a page. Okay, so that would go into the presentation layer. I request a page. Okay, service layer process the request via service contracts. Domain layer fetches the data using the models and the repositories. Persistence layer retrieves the data from the database, and the data is sent back and displayed on the front end. So this is how all the four layers work together. Any doubt, any query? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.